Hello, welcome to day 6 of machine learning interview preparation. Today we'll be discussing about list versus tuple. So I have listed some of the differences between list and tuple. They are two data structures in Python. They are built-in data types in Python. So also an example, and then we'll come back to this table. Let's first start with syntax. So I'll show you an example of list and tuple, right? So the variable is car list. So list is always written inside big brackets, right? It's a BMW, Ferrari. Print. I want to print the type of car list variable. So it is a list. It is an object. Car list is an object of class list. So by definition, list is a collection of items under one variable name. So this is the definition of list. Let me create the tuple car tuples. So tuple is written inside the round bracket. BMW and Ferrari. So it is not good practice to use different codes inside the list. I mean, it's the same thing, but like it's a good habit to write consistently. Let me print the data type of car tuple. So it is of class tuple. So this is an object of tuple. It is also a collection of item under one variable name. Collection of item under one variable name. So this is the syntax of list and tuple. So one difference is list is written inside big brackets and each item is separated by comma. Tuple is written inside round bracket and each item is separated by comma. So this is one example. The other difference is mutability. Let me close this and I'll show you an example of mutability. So this is a list, and if I want to change the value of Ferrari to Mercedes, I can just write car list. This one is 0 index and this one is 1 index. So I want to change 1 index Ferrari to Mercedes. If I look into car list, Ferrari is replaced by Mercedes. So we can do that on list. But we cannot do this thing on tuple. Let me show you the exact same example and why this happens. Car tuples 1, I want to assign Mercedes. Mercedes. So it throws an type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. So we cannot assign item inside the tuple. Why? Tuple is immutable data type. Data type. However, list is a mutable data type. So what is the difference between mutable and immutable data type? I have already discussed that on the previous video. you can go and watch that series or that module. So I'll just give you a quick overview on this, why this happens. So let me copy this code. So if I print the memory location of card id, sorry, car list, and again print the memory location of this car list, it will be same, right? So it is same, it doesn't change. Why? Because it is a mutable data type. In mutable data type, we can go inside that memory location and update the value. So we can go inside the item and we can update its value. But in immutable data type, we cannot do this. However, there are workarounds. Like, I mean, what I can do is I can convert this tuple into list, and then add update the item, and then again typecast that list into tuple. I can do that, but like it will change the memory location. So this is the example of mutable and immutable data type, and this is one example. Let's go into other example, memory uses. So if you go into the table, list uses more memory, and tuple is memory efficient. I mean, what it means is, if we look into the memory uses of a list that has same data as tuple, list will take more memory and tuple will take slightly less memory. So let me show you an example. Let's say we have once tens, 100,000, 10,000. So we have 50,000 data in a list and a tuple, right? So let me okay. So let me run this one. So if you look into here, I've just sliced first five data points. So first five items. The first item is 15, 20, 38, 41, and 28. It is exactly same in a tuple, right? So I've just typecasted this list into tuple. So the list contains same data and tuple also contains same data. And now I want to see how much memory this list takes and how much memory this tuple takes. So that can be like calculated or extracted using sys library, system library. So sys.get size of, we want to get the size of list and tuple. So we want to get the size of data in a list and data in a tuple. So we are measuring the memory. So I have printed that memory uses and I have compared it. So if you look here, list uses more memory, right? If you look into the number, list uses slightly higher memory in bytes. So that is the conclusion. If you have list and a tuple with the same data, list will take slightly higher memory. So that is the difference. So you can go here and look into the different points that differentiates list and tuple. So one is mutability, list is mutable, and tuple is immutable. So it means list, with list we can read and write. In tuple, it is a read only. We cannot write inside tuple. It is a read only data structure. So list is written inside square bracket and tuple is written inside parenthesis. List uses slightly more memory than tuple. So tuple is memory efficient. And if you want to read and write, or if you want a collection of item to modify it, then we can use list. If we don't want to modify it, we want fixed collection, then we can use tuple. List has other methods, so we'll discuss that later on. So like append, remove, insert, pop. List has different kinds of methods, built-in methods. Tuple don't have much methods. I mean, it only has two methods, count and index. It doesn't have append or insert or something like that. So that is one difference. Performance, so list looping inside a list is slightly slower compared to tuple, because tuple is read only and it uses less memory. So that is one difference. So these are the differences between list and tuple, and these are the examples. Thank you.